Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Greetings, my beautiful family. We are here preparing our simple dinner for the day. So we have our cabbage. We are going to include also groundnuts to our stew, cabbage stew with groundnuts. Have you ever tasted this recipe? Please, it's a simple recipe, very easy to prepare, and it's a budget friendly recipe. On this channel we have simple recipes for the day. So let's prepare our dinner. It's rare to find people having this recipe, so for us we are just bringing back our granny stew, our granny recipes. My granny used to love this recipe very much, so that's why I've decided also to share it with you. Please, a very fantastic and a healthy recipe for the family. For the new viewers, please, once you come across this channel, you check all our videos and subscribe the channel. Hit a notification bell for more notification. Whenever we post, you'll be getting a notification message for our video. So stay tuned. Let's cook our dinner. We have the few ingredients: tomato, onion, plus our groundnuts. Only 3 ingredients, please. Our cabbage is just there. It's our dinner, low budget dinner. Take a moment. Yeah. When we talk of boiled stew, this is what we mean. Just water, onion, tomato, and our groundnuts. So stay tuned. Let's prepare our dinner. Healthy dinner for you and low budget friendly recipe. You want just this groundnuts paste, please. That's enough. So we are mixing our paste, groundnuts into paste. Then after we'll be adding it to our cabbage. Healthy meal, simple meals on this channel, and budget friendly recipes, please. Our ugali is here also. See, just waiting for our cabbage stew. That's our peanut paste in our cabbage. Healthy stew for the day. Our cabbage is here cooking well. As you can see, no cooking oil, only groundnuts, onion, salt, and tomato. Cabbage stew, a healthy stew for the day. So we have our posho. We are going to prepare our posho, which is our posho, ugali, maize, corn, flour. We will be pairing our posho with cabbage mixed with groundnuts. Simple and healthy foods on this channel, please. You are missing a lot. For those who haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe, and the returning ones, we really appreciate. Please continue supporting your girl so that the channel grows. We have a lot of recipes which are simple to learn. Let's cook our dinner. Healthy dinner for the day. We do healthy foods on this channel. African foods. Africaflavahabibk kitchen. You subscribe to that channel, please, for more recipes. So as you can see, our groundnuts cabbage stew is now ready. We are almost serving our dinner. It takes time. You need to be patient to get good results of your stew. I think you can see even the cool for nuts is coming out. Healthy recipe, healthy meals, and simple budget friendly recipe on this channel. So please, thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. Our dinner is now ready. Simple dinner, healthy dinner for you. Can we enjoy it together, please? The channel is all about simple recipes. So as you can see, our veggies are now ready. This is cabbage mixed with groundnuts. Healthy recipes for the day and low budget friendly recipes. Can't get stuck when you have these in the house. This Ugandan delicacy, please come we enjoy it together. See you after grabbing our meals. Come we enjoy. See you in the next video. Wonderful recipes ever and simple recipes from Africaflavahabibk kitchen. Bye bye.